It's Slaymas day 6 and we are on a roll, y'all. Welcome back. Y'all know I had to get y'all right with the Knotless. So this whole video is going to be regular speed. It's not going to be any fast forward. So I want y'all to be able to see everything that I'm doing. As you can see, I've already done the first row, which I put 4 braids on. Now I'm just mapping out my parting for my second row. Now you're going to see me adding more hair on this video because my client originally booked for bra length, but she ended up getting mid back. And I bought 20-inch hair for bra length braids, but as you can see, her hair was like way longer than bra length. So that's why you're going to see me adding so many pieces. So the way I like to start off my knotless, I split it into 3 sections, preparing it to braid, but I don't actually braid it yet. And I actually decided to let y'all count how many pieces of hair that I put in. So for this first braid, I'm going to be counting as I'm adding the pieces in. And I did this because I get a lot of questions asking how many pieces of hair do I use. Typically I don't use this many pieces. So basically what I like to do is take the braid hair and put it in like a C motion. And what I do is put it in between my index finger. And as you can see, that bottom piece is going in between the index and the thumb. And then that top piece of it is going above my index finger. I get a lot of questions on how I'm actually adding the hair in. I'm going to be showing it at regular speed every time I add the hair in. So hopefully this is easier for you guys to be able to see exactly what it is that I'm doing. Also, if you're interested in my Slay band, you can purchase it on the website, which will be in the description box, because this thing is a lifesaver and it's a game changer in this braid game, okay? Now, since this hair was so short, I did have to add hair like midway. Typically, I don't do this much for the mid back length. But like I said, I'm using the 20-inch hair. So that's why you see me adding like more pieces. So I was trying a different filming technique. And I think this angle was actually better to be able to see what I'm doing and how I'm feeding the hair in. If you're familiar with my videos, you know I love some Vigorol foam, so that's what I'm going to set her braids with. And setting the braids helps to lay down all the flyaways and give the braids a nice shine. And then I'm just going to be sealing her braids with some hot water. This is mandatory, y'all. Don't let anybody tell y'all that it's not, because you're going to seal the braids and this gives it that nice sleek look. Then I like to set the foam with some Pump It Up. Don't do too much. And then I'm going to take some of my braid sheen spray. And then I like to take some of the argan oil sheen spray just to give it that final polishing look. And then I also love to give my clients a good little scalp massage just to make their scalp feel better, even though it doesn't hurt. And of course, I had to lay her edges using Slaymas by Ray Edge Control. Go get you some, baby. Link in the description box. So now I'm just going to show y'all 2 cute and easy styles that you can do if you have knotless braids. These are also cute for little hair picture aesthetics for your Instagram and all of that. If you came this far, thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.